Hi, I have Motorola two-way radio model X8. This is a Motorola variant for UBK5. Yeah, UBK5. I flash with a browser, Exsumer at github.com. But unfortunately, uh, after it it doesn't flash successfully. It said the radio, there's no response from the two-way radio. But after that, it doesn't turn on anymore. So, is there anyone knows how to if you have a how to recover this, or if you have flashing software and original firmware for this, please let me know. Okay, I will show how I did. Okay, how I how I did this. Okay, I have original Baofeng cable. It's here. Yeah, original Baofeng cable. Yeah, data cable. So I plugged it on my desktop. Okay, desktop. And I installed the proper software driver. Okay, driver software. Then I put. Okay, I. Okay, I will initiate the flash with the browser. So here it is. So I also downloaded the firmware packed bin. Okay, then I put in a downloading mode or firmware update mode by pressing the PTT and turning it on. Okay. Okay, wait, I'll do this. Okay, so here it is. The flashlight is on. Then I go with the browser. I'm using Edge, the latest version, Edge. It is a recommended Edge or Chrome. Okay, then I push. Oh, I click this flash firmware. Okay, then it's asked me for my communication port. Okay, my communication port is serial COM 9. Okay, USB 2. Then I connect. Here it is, the error. So after I do this, I cannot turn on the two-way radio anymore. It said flash command rejected, aborting, no data received. Is the radio connected and in flash mode? So this is in flash mode and it is connected to my desktop. So what do you think is the problem here? Is there anyone knows how to recover this? Please let me know. Thank you.